Guess who's back, 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 back again. Mama's back, opening Doorables. Today, Mama's gonna keep opening some Series 7 Doorables because she really likes the color reveal.
I think the color reveal is fun, and find and reveal and guess how many Doorables are inside.
Yes.
With our little handy dandy key color reveal thing.
So Mama, how many Doorables do you think there are?
I think I'm gonna guess 5 again, but we get to be little junior detectives here, and we have to look. So that one, of course,
It's on the
comes
red
with it.
parts.
So do we see any? 1.
Okay, 1. Up 2, you just passed 1.
Up 2.
Go in the center, there's another red part in the center.
3.
3. Any more?
4.
4. Okay, down to the bottom. 5. I think we're at 5.
I think we're at 5.
All right.
That's what I guess.
So we're gonna have 5. Let's get them out, Mama. All right, Mama, are you ready to show them how well you yeet?
I am ready for the ceremonial yeeting of the Doorables. Ready, set, yeet!
Tally ho. All right, Mom, pick one and start opening. And just to show everyone who we have, I think we have some in here from the Village Peak. I just don't remember which one they are. We have Joy. We know we have Fear. Belle, Baloo. Caw we got from the Village Peak. Snow Geez we got from the Village Peak. And then we also have Mr. Incredible. And we have the black and white Mickey Mouse. You can see them all here. And you're ready?
I'm thinking actually this might be a dupe. It might be Mr. Incredible again, but let's find out.
Is it?
I do believe. Yes, it is.
Well, I think Karen's going to be very happy about that one.
Incredible.
Yes, so our first one is Mr. Incredible. He is clearly a common since we got a second one of him.
Exactly.
Yep, Mama's going to start guessing the next one. All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I am going to guess Doug, but the nose is not quite.
Then there might be Alpha.
Could be. We'll see. Oh, it is. It is Doug.
It's Doug. Hi, my name is Doug.
Oh, goodness.
And I love you.
His eye came off. Wait a minute.
Oh,
His
no.
little sticky eye. We may have to do
Doug,
surgery.
please hold. Oh, no. Oh, no. The other eye is missing. It's not even in there. Doug is missing an eye.
We have a defective Doug. Disney Doorable people, I hope you can send us a replacement eyeball or a new Doug.
You mean Just Play. But poor Doug.
Play the Doorable people.
Yes. All right. Well, we're going to put Doug over here because he makes me sad.
He does make me sad.
Yeah.
Too.
Poor Doug. I'm not even going to circle him because I that's a fraction of a Doug. Yeah. Poor Doug.
Poor Doug.
Mom, start guessing the next one while I just grieve for Doug. I'm still wanting Kevin. All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Who is
it?
this?
It's Disgust. And Disgust is a common.
And I was thinking potentially. She's a possibility.
Yes.
But I didn't say it. So.
All right. On to the next one.
To the next one.
To recap for everyone, so far we got 2.5 commons because the fact that Doug is missing his eye and it wasn't hiding in the bag. We're sad about that.
Sad.
Poor Doug. So Mama's going to guess the next one. All right, Mama, who do you think it is?
I'm guessing Mowgli, but I think I'm wrong.
Who is it?
It is, oh no.
Oh, it's Princess Anna, and she is a rare.
I got way off there.
Yes, so this is Anna specifically from the Frozen little like summer thing that they did whenever Anna had a cold.
Yes, and you can see in the back of her hair. She's got a little flower in her hair.
All right, Mom, work on the last one while I deal with that one over there. All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I'm hoping this is another color reveal one. Potentially Hank, but let's find out.
Is it a Hank?
It is Hank. I'm excited.
All right, so are we going to get yellow or orange Hank?
Oh,
Time to get my cup of water.
Yeah.
All right, Mom, before you put Hank in, what do you think, yellow or orange?
I'm going to go with orange.
All right, I'll go with yellow then.
She was right the last time, so let's see.
I just figured if I'm more lucky than my mom, every time I guess the opposite of her, I'll win. So please hold while we wait for this to do its thing. All right, if I'm looking at this correctly, 1, I can see his little coffee pot. 2, I'm seeing a little nubbin on a tentacle, and I think I won again.
And I'm thinking, I think you're right because I'm seeing more and more yellow because there is a little bit of yellow on the red version, but
yeah.
No.
So
look.
Yep, that is Yellow Hank.
Oh,
So
she's batting 1,000.
I'm batting 1,000. So let's get him out. And here is our Yellow Hank. I won again on guessing the mystery color. So just to recap, we got the special edition Yellow Hank. We got Disgust, who is a common. We got Anna, who is a common. We've got Mr. Incredible, who is a common. And we have half of a Doug, who is a rare.
He needs a patch.
Yeah, he needs an eye patch. I put a
Poor
question
Doug.
mark next to him because I don't know if this counts that we got him.
No, he's
Poor Doug.
Poor Doug.
So anything to say to your fans, Mom?
Please come back for more that Disney Doorable unveiling. I really had fun with this one. 'Cause
Yeah,
we
she
got
likes the
two-
series.
We got 2 color reveal ones.
Yep.
Fun.
All right, bye everyone.